Hey everyone, today we're going to be solving the simple array sum. Let's get to it. So what we have to do is we are given an array of integers and we have to find the sum of all of its elements. So for example, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Yep, seems simple enough. So we're expected to return an integer and we are given a parameter r, which is an integer array. So if we console log this out, we should get the array and its elements. So let's just quickly test. Yep, sweet. So what we need to do is find the total. So let's just create a variable called total and initialize that to 0. Now we're going to have to add all the array elements to this total variable. An easy way of adding each element from an array is to use a for loop. So for will initialize it to 0. While I is less than the array length. Yep. So we're going to be running this for loop for however many elements there are inside this array. And after each run of this for loop, each time this for loop runs, at the end, we're going to increment I by 1. Right. So this should work. The next step is to increment total, is to add the values to total. So total plus equals array at position I. So if you don't know what this plus equals means, it is just the shorthand version of writing total is equal to the current value of total plus the array at position I. It's the same way, it's the same thing, just shorter and faster. So total should have all the values inside it. So let's just test this now by printing out total. Should be the same value. Yeah, so that's correct. So let's just return total now. Return total. Yep, passed. Is there anything else we have to worry about? We didn't really use n. I don't know why n was given. Result plus n. Doesn't really matter. We solved it without using n. So n's always going to be greater than 0, and there's always going to be a maximum of 1,000 elements. So it's anywhere between 0 and it's gonna be anywhere between 1 and 1,000. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else we need to solve. Yep, all passed. Sweet. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next video.